Hello everybody, it's me, Miss Bonnie, and we're going to jump right in. So right now, I am cutting out my ears for my ball cap method. Now, if you know, this method right here allows for you to get your sideburns without any lifting. So now I'm going in with my Ghost Bond glue. So this is a method that is better than using Got2b glue on your edges to mold down your cap. I am placing the glue, hope you can see it, and where my hairline starts, and I'm doing it on my skin. Now, this method, you will not get the glue on your edges, and it's extremely better if you have, it's way better if you're someone like me who has fragile edges, because using Got2b glue to melt down these caps in the past have caused thinning because the product is so drying. So if you're someone who constantly wears lace frontals, this method is way better because you're going to be protecting your edges. And in the way what I use to gel down my edges is Eco Styler Gel, because it has actual nutrients in it. And the Got2b glue is pretty much basically alcohol. And you know, alcohol can be very drying on your hair, especially your hairline. So this method is way better. I definitely recommend using this, and you will love it. And the glue is not on your hair, and it actually creates a more flawless cap than the Got2b glue does. So I'm just cutting away that cap, and then I'm going to go on with my foundation. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation is what I use. And then I even went over it with a darker powder because I did my makeup. So around my hairline was a little darker due to contouring. So I just went in with like a darker powder. But that's what I did. So if you see the ball cap method, it looks really, really good for it to be a stocking cap. Now I'm just applying my wig and figuring out the placement. Now, this wig may look a little crazy because it's actually just got finished from being thrown in the corner, because after I washed it, hung it up to dry, I haven't worn it in about a couple of weeks, I'm not gonna lie. So it may look a little crazy to you on camera because it's been balled up in the corner. Don't treat your wigs that way, okay?
30 hertz, straight up, straight up, straight up.
Now what I'm doing is separating my baby hairs and combing them on out so that I can prepare to lay them. This is a unit that I have installed before, so that's why the baby hairs are still there. Well, not edges. I don't like to call it baby hairs. So now I'm going in with my Nairobi mousse. And you see I'm going in with the edge brush, but I'm going to show you a different trick to get an even better finish, and that's using a spoolie. So the spoolie, for whatever reason, I started to use that instead, and it's able to really get the hairs to look more natural instead of so stringy looking, if you get what I mean. Anybody who lays a lace frontal know that sometimes the baby hairs can look like stringy and unnatural. So with the mousse in this brush, it allows for the hair to look as natural as possible while also being soft. So it's not being rough on your hair to the point where you're going to rip the hair from out the lace. So I highly recommend you using a spoolie and on your edges for your lace front, because it's really good. With a really nice foam, it does a really good job. my baby hairs, I'm going to tie it down using styling strip. So now I'm straightening my hair, and I'm using my titanium Babyless Pro titanium flat iron. And I've had this flat iron for a while. It's a really good flat iron. I recommend if you do get this flat iron. And it's for hair. I probably wish I had the like a 2-inch, some that was wider. But it's a really good flat iron. Now that I'm done straightening the hair, I'm going to cut off those styling strips and reveal my perfect edges. So now this is a trick. So I didn't feel like, I don't have a stove in my room for my hot comb, and I really didn't feel like going downstairs and heating my hot comb up. So this is a trick to get that hot comb look without the hot comb. So I'm going in with my T4 iron. This is the 1.75 and it is really hot. So I'm going in with my iron and I am putting it on the lace, not the lace, the hair on the lace close to the root to lay it down. Now this method, the hair was hot, but it wasn't hot enough to where I couldn't bear it. It's like the same temperature as if you were going in with a hot comb. So I'm going to do this to the top of my frontal to get it laid down and get that really nice sleek look that we all love. Now I'm going in with my Cara wax stick, and this is going to be used to lay down any flyaways that may have strung along or hung on in the top of my head, and I'm going to flatten the top to get that sweet look that we all love.
Straight up, straight up, straight up. 30 hertz, straight up, straight up, straight up.
That is the finished look, you guys. So now I'm just going through, making sure it's perfect. Some strands I missed, but this is a lot of hair. It is about 4 bundles of hair. It is 4 bundles of hair in a 13x6 front closure. This is 4 bundles of hair in a 13x6 closure, and you know that is a lot of hair. So I have missed some pieces when it came to flat iron, but that is okay because all the hair is going to hide those pieces that I missed. So I'm done and I love my hair. Also, if you notice that I kept looking off to it was my left in real life, but it might be to the right of this video for you. I have a monitor to where I can watch and see how it's going when I'm recording myself. Like that's what I was doing. I was looking on the side to make sure that I was always in focus so that this video does not get ruined. But yeah, so this hair is from Brillare Tresses, of course. And if you would like this unit is called the Bridget unit. This is one of my favorite units. It's a perfect summer color. You can alter how long you want the wig, how short you want the wig. You pretty much decide how you want it to look. And it is colored by me. This hair was bleached, and then after it was bleached, it was toned to achieve its shade. So thank you for watching. I am absolutely feeling this look. It is like 2 in the morning, and I'm about to snatch this wig off and go to bed. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a lovely day. Bye.